Hi YouTube, I'm Dylan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw Phineas Flynn from the classic Disney series Phineas and Ferb. So get a nice piece of paper and a good pencil, and we start off with a straight line that goes like this, and then a curve right here. What we're trying to do here is make him draw a kind of a triangle shape. And remember to always draw very loose and lightly at first, because we're not going to use all these lines later on. We're going to cover some of them up. Okay, so once you got your triangle, you're going to draw a kind of a triangular shape, a tall one and small one. That's going to be his body. And then we're going to draw two kind of squares for his shorts. You're going to have one smaller on the left and then one bigger on the right. Okay, so once you got that, you're going to throw in his eyes. And his eyes are going to be these kind of oval shapes. They're going to go like this. Then you're going to draw another oval, except it's going to be split in half. And it's going to be a little smaller because it's on the other side of his head. Okay, then you're going to flatten out this side of his top side of his head. And then maybe this is just to plan ahead a little. This is his nose. It's not anything like the noses we've drawn in our other videos. So you'll just draw those. And then just draw a slight curve for his mouth. We're going to have him smile. Usually we continue with the rest of the eyes, but we're going to do the mouth first. And his mouth's going to curve like this. Then you're going to draw his teeth, which are basically like half square shapes. And same thing with this side, except it's going to be slightly angled like this. Then you're going to draw a curve. That's going to be the inside of his mouth. And then you're going to draw another curve. That's going to be his tongue. And then you can finish this off with then you're going to draw the rest of his neck. Then you're going to draw his ear. It's going to be like this backwards C shape. It goes like this. Then to block in the inside of the ear, you're going to make kind of a number 3 shape, like that. Okay, then you will draw the back side of his head. Then you're going to close it off with a little curve And then we're going to get his hair. So you're going to draw these zigzag lines. One here. Then you're going to draw another point. Then you draw another curve. The bottom ones are going to make a little smaller. It's just like 3 spikes on each side. And this one's going to flare out a little. Just like that. Okay, so we got his hair. Now we need to get the inside of his eyes. So for the pupils, you're going to draw these kind of oval shapes. There's one, except this one's going to be more of a half circle on the left side. And then inside both eyes, put these little circles inside for the highlights. And then we're going to draw his eyebrows, which are going to be these tilting kind of moon shapes. And then you're going to put another one up here. And then one last detail, he has these freckles. There's 3 of them, and they're really tiny ovals that go like this. Okay, that's Phineas's head, but now we got to draw his clothes. So we're going to start with this slight shallow U shape at the bottom of his neck. And then make sure you leave some spaces to look like so that it looks like it's wrapping around his neck. Then you're going to draw 2 different, one's a frontwards and one's a backwards C. And then then after that, we should draw the lines that form his shirt and include the sleeves as well. And this one, then you're going to draw another sleeve like this. And remember, to show that the sleeves of his shirt are actually part of it, don't draw outside of it, draw inside of it, like this. And then don't fill in anything else yet, because we got to get his arms after that. And then maybe just lightly draw a slight curve to indicate how his arms are going to be done. Okay, let's draw his arms and hands now. So you're going to start with the right one. It's going to go like this. It's going to curve down like that. Then you're going to draw his fingers, and he's got 3 of them that go like this. And then here's the palm of his hand, and then you draw the other side of his arm like that. And we'll do the similar thing with this side. Here's his finger that goes like that. You're going to draw the bottom part of his shirt, get his, and then don't forget his other fingers on this side as well. Okay, now we need to draw his shorts. To do that, we're going to draw this original square that we put earlier. Then you're going to draw a line that indicates the middle of his legs. And then on this side, he has a pocket. So you're going to draw another square and then a curve to indicate the flap. Then you'll draw the other part of the leg. And now we need to draw his actual legs along with his shoes. So just like his arms, they are really skinny. And then there are these kind of half oval shapes. So I'm going to darken this leg Then I'm gonna draw the curve and the bottom sole of his shoe. I'm gonna draw another curve that follows it. Make sure to get the front part of his shoe and then put a square on top. And then you repeat the very same process on this side. Here's the sole. The top and the square part. That's the shoe. That's like where the shoelaces are. And then you're going to draw the curves at the bottom of the legs to indicate the ends of them. Okay, next we're going to indicate the stripes on his shirt, so you don't have to draw them exactly like they are. You don't have to darken the lines. Just take your time. There's 3 of them. Just like that. And there you have it. You have your very own picture of Phineas Flynn. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe for more, check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.